everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to go back to the home screen on a Fitbit Sense. This will be a super duper easy step-by-step tutorial, so let's get right into the video. So this is essentially your home screen, okay? This clock face that you see right here is essentially what serves as the home screen. It's like the center point for where you will begin your Fitbit Sense journey, okay? So the easiest way to go back to the home screen is always to push the side button over here. So if I push the side button, back to the home screen, okay? If I'm over here, push the side button, back to the home screen. If I'm in an app, okay, push the side button, back to the home screen, okay? No matter what you're doing, you push the side button and you go back to the home screen, okay? If I swipe up like over here where my widgets are, okay, where you can see I didn't really set them up yet, it just says weather over here, 0 degrees, push the side button, back to the home screen. So your side button will always bring you back to the clock face, which I consider to be the home screen, okay? Now, that's the easiest, surefire way to get back to the home screen quickly and efficiently. The other way is to do the opposite of what you did to get to the screen that you're on. So let's say I swiped right to get to my quick settings, I would do the opposite. Swipe left to get back to the home screen, okay? If I swiped up to get to my widgets, I would do the opposite. Swipe down to get back to the home screen. If I swiped left to get to my apps, I would swipe right to get back to the home screen. Now, the other thing that you have to keep in mind is, let's say you're in an app, okay? Let's go into the EDA scan. Let's just pretend we're gonna start a quick scan. If you wanna get back to the home screen from in an app, you can always swipe right to go back within the app. Swipe right again to go back to the screen that you were on, and then navigate back to the home screen like that. So you can always just kind of swipe right to get backwards in the app, and then navigate back to the home screen from the app screen, right? So that's basically it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.